Amanda here with Dan Goldsmith, and he's the new boss of Canvas. So tell us what we're going to hear about in Sydney today.
Oh my gosh, it's so excited to be here. We have over 750 participants here at the event, and you're going to hear about all sorts of customer stories of universities and schools that are doing amazing things with Canvas and making impact on education every day. We have lots of new products and new capabilities and features that people are using, and so this event really is about the customers and the people using our software rather than the software itself, but we couldn't be more excited about the group of people here. We have twice the amount of people we had last year.
Cool, awesome, and we're about to move to Canvas at UTS. So we've got a lot of people here who are really keen to find out what it's all about.
Good.
And hear some exciting stories. So I want to thank Dan for chatting to us, and I might ambush him later with some other questions.
I look forward to it.
And this is his first ever vlog.
It is my first vlog. Thank you. CanvasCon done. What did I like about the conference? I thought that we saw some really great stuff about institutional change from places like RMIT, Sydney Uni and Swinburne. That was really interesting. I saw some great flipped learning stuff and mastery pathways. Lots of interesting things coming like ARC and inline quizzing and commenting on videos. I have Kaltura at the moment. We have quizzing and it has its irks and quirks. But I think the key for me is that no matter what LMS you're using, pedagogy is key. So they talk about designing your awesomeness, and I think I've already got a pretty awesome subject. So no matter what LMS it lives in, I'm going to be pretty happy. Canvas looks nice, and I think the templates will help us make some really nice transitions moving forward. But we'll just have to wait and see how things progress. So that's me from CanvasCon in 2018 signing off, and I will chat to everybody next time. Bye.